This is what we're doing with root beer. We've been shaking it for like half an hour. We're gonna drop it and shake it even more. As you can see right here, we're just like dropping it and shaking it and dropping it. No, turn. Dropping it and shaking it and shaking it. Alright. That's gonna be our technique. We're gonna shot put it up. Alright, now. Here we go. Damn. Damn. And here's one where it's like all like fizzy. Call them like miniature grenade things. Shit, that one just exploded. Look at that. Oh dude, I can feel the mist in the air.
Look at that.
It exploded in half. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Dude. Don't throw it right there, you dumbass.